Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do another look using Morphe by Jaclyn Hill's new Vault palettes, and today I'm using Ring the Alarm. I created this little cut crease look for you. I haven't done one like this in a while, so I enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys do too. If you want to see how I created it, keep on watching. So first I'm going to start by priming my lids with Smashbox's 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my eyelid and blend it out with my beauty blender. And I'm just going to set my eyelids with a translucent powder, and I'm going to be using MAC Cosmetics Patrick's Powder. And I'll be putting that on with this Bow Bell E1 brush. So the next thing we're going to do for this look is tape our eyes. We're just going to tape the sides so that no shadow can fall, and it creates a perfect line. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using one of Morphe by Jaclyn Hill's palettes from the Vault, and this one is Ring the Alarm. I'm going to start by going into my crease with Mugshot. I'm going to go in with this Makeup Forever 218 blending brush. And I'm really going to concentrate this color on the first half of my crease. Remember to always grab a clean blending brush and just buff out any edges that might have a harsh line on them. So next, on the outer half of my crease, I'm going to go in with Secret. And I'm going to be going in with this other fluffy blending brush. And you want to make sure that this goes out in a scooping motion. And I'm going to go back in with that Mugshot brush and just make sure it's well blended into the Secret. And then the clean blending brush. So now we're going to cut our crease, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Beige. And I'm going to apply this with my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush. And I'm just going to put a bit right on my lid and look up. Shows me where I need to draw the line. And I'm going to go in with the small eyeliner brush and make sure that line is super precise. And we're gonna make this a sort of a wing shape. Now we're gonna fill that in again with the concealer brush. So now I'm just going to set this foundation with that same powder that we used to set our primer on the same brush. So now on my lid, I'm going to start with On Camera from the beginning to the center of my lid. And I'm going to go in with my finger for this color. So I'm going to wipe off that concealer brush and use it to get the edges of this gold. And for the second half, I'm going to go in with Boom. My finger again first. And then again, I'm going to go in with that concealer brush to get the edges. I'm going to go in with a little bit more gold and blend those two together. So now I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and I'm going to be using Morphe's Jet eyeliner on this little eyeliner brush that I use to also cut my crease. Start on the inner corner, make a really thin line. So now we get to pull these bad boys off. So next I'm going to go in with lashes, and I'm going to be using Morphe's Flirt Alert lashes. They're all over the place. So now we're just going to go back over that eyeliner just to get rid of any glue that might be showing. So now we're going to move on to our face, and I'm going to be using Smashbox Petal Metal Primer. So for my foundation, I'm going to be going in with Frankie Rose's Matte Perfection Foundation in Oatmeal Blend. I'm just going to use my concealer brush to pop that on my face. Ooh, this foundation smells so good. I'm just gonna go around my brows because I hate having to blend around my brows. I'm just gonna beauty blend the rest in. I'm just gonna highlight my face using Benefit's Sunbeam. Gonna contour my face using Hoola's Quickie contour stick. I'm going to blend this in using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. Next, I'm going to conceal my under eyes using Frankie Rose Cosmetics Our Little Secret in Chai. And I'm going to set this using that Patrick's powder. So now we're going to set our whole face using this powder, and I'm just going to use this fluffy Morphe brush. So next, I'm going to warm up my face using Morphe's Hi-Fi 8H palette, and I'm going to go in with Debutant and Blogger mixed. I'm just going to use this rose gold Morphe brush. And I'm going to use Debutant to contour my nose. I'm going to use this on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A3 smudger brush. I'm just going to use the fluffy brush to blend that out. I just pinch it to make it thinner, and rub it out. So next I'm going to go in with blush. I'm going to be using Morphe's 8W Warm Master Palette. And I'm going to go in with MUA. And then I just take my fluffy brush and blend that up. So next, for highlight, I'm going to be going in with Morphe's Hi-Fi 8H palette, again, and using Big Bang. I'm going to use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. For my nose and Cupid's bow, I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use this color to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. And I'm going to be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 pencil brush. I'm going to use my pinky to apply this because the brush isn't working. So lastly, we got to put shadow on our under eyes, and I'm going to be using Morphe's S20 pencil brush. I'm going to pick up some Secret and put that right under my eye. So wipe that brush off, get some Mugshot, and get that on the inner half. And then we're just going to take that clean fluffy brush and blend those two out. So now we're just going to do mascara, and I'm going to use Mally's Smokey Mama Mascara just to get any powder off our lashes and our bottom lashes. So for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with Strip Down by MAC and filling it in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Maple Lip Gloss. Then I'm just going to fill it in. So now I'm just going to spray my face using NYX's Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Please leave any comments if you guys have requests for other videos or any questions about this video or anything that I used. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. How did that happen?